All right, guys, I want to thank you for taking the course. I really enjoyed relaying all this content to you, and I really hope that it paid dividends and you got your the best bang for your buck, essentially, and really saw the merit of this content. Now, I hope that you don't just take this in and learn from it, but take action on it so that you can improve your content and see that it works for you. With that being said, though, I definitely want to make sure that you understand all this content. This will be obviously continuing to adjust as we move forward. If you're watching this closer, maybe toward the end of 2018, depending on when you're watching this, there could be some changes slightly, and I will constantly be updating this course. On top of that, I actually have an entire playlist on my YouTube channel. It's called YouTube Tips. And that playlist is full of 25 videos at the moment. It will probably increase, when you're watching this will probably be more, but there's a bunch of great tips in here that can help you increase both your SEO and your visibility on YouTube, as well as just give you general overall YouTube tips. So go ahead and check that out. I'd love for you to join me on BG Media Innovation, which is my YouTube channel. Come, join me, drop a comment on my latest video or any video that you see that helps you, and let me know how you got there and why you're there, and we can grow together. If you drop more comments, people will see you. That's something I talk about in one of my YouTube videos on my YouTube Tips playlist. Dropping comments and basically, commenting on videos that you see will get you more visibility as well, because people will start to see that you're ingratiated in that community and kind of wonder, who is this, who is that, and then click you and see that you have similar content to that type of video. Because if they see you on the comment section of a video, then they're already more engaged and targeted with that niche, and thus more likely to like your content as well. So it's something to keep in mind. But on top of that, like I said, I'd really love for you to join me here on YouTube. As always, I'm really open to suggestions with a bunch of different content. So if you have something that you think that could improve this course, I'd really love to hear it. Shoot me a message on Udemy or shoot me an email to Brian, that's Brian with a Y, at bgmediainnovation.com. I'd love to hear your feedback. I'd really appreciate it if you reviewed this course and reviewed it well. Obviously, that helps this course rank on Udemy search results. Udemy SEO, woohoo. But no, for real, guys, I'd really love for your feedback. Obviously, if you have a suggestion that's constructive, let me know, message me or shoot me an email. And as always, the next lecture will be that bonus lecture where you can basically see all the bonuses and the content that I offer. The one thing, if you're looking for any not free courses, but I actually offer free dropshipping courses on my website. But the one link in the next article will be, on the next lecture, will be discount links to all my courses. So I sell all my courses on my website as well for $10. You don't have to pay any of the retail value, or $15 or $20 or whatever, not obviously the $200, but you can get all my courses on my website if you're looking for them through that link next. It's bgmediainnovation.com/shop, and they'll all be there under BG University. So I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope that you really enjoyed this course and got a lot of value from it. With that being said, I'm going to end the course here, but I hope to see you soon, both on the YouTube channel and in another course, guys. Have a great one.